Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax. So what makes Mahogany so special? Is it the fact that it has the largest and the newest private exclusive community lake with the largest beachfront? Or is it the village market where all your favorite grocery stores and amenities are located? Or is it all the parks and playgrounds? Or is it this 74-acre wetlands, which is home to many different species of bird and small animal? There's about 22 kilometers of pathways in this system, and they link up to Calgary's 1,000-kilometer pathway system. In addition to this, there's about 265 acres of green space in this community for you to enjoy. What about the school? And future schools? Or the future Green Line LRT station? Or is it the quality workmanship and design that you really see throughout the entire community? But let's take 93 Marquis Common for an example. This is a stepper-built home. It was actually a spec home. We're the original owners. There's almost 1,700 square feet, and I'm really excited to show you. So as soon as you come in, there's a half bath right off the front door. We have 9-foot ceilings, and very conveniently in this day and age, an office, multi-use, flex room, den, kids room. There's pocket doors here. You notice the two-tone cabinetry here. We love Stepper's quality. They've upgraded the lights as well as all the appliances. And really, they've kind of kept the modern family to thought here with designing this. Fully open concept. You can have parties and entertain. This leads right out to the backyard, which again was professionally landscaped. There's a newer fence, double garage, and of course the deck. Now coming in from your garage, you have this awesome mudroom area with a little bench and hooks and a closet space here, so you can kind of keep all the jackets and junk kind of out of the way. Upstairs you have 3 large bedrooms, as well as upstairs laundry to make it a little bit more convenient. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the bathroom that they would share. Very clean and updated. I love the white cabinetry up here. And the master retreat takes this whole side of the home. There's a walk-in closet, there's a king bed, big window, get a lot of good light, and certainly more room for furniture and whatnot. The ensuite, big soaker tub, double vanities, same cabinetry and countertop as in the other bathroom, and of course your separate shower. Now living in Mahogany is more like a lifestyle, and it's a community where your neighbors become your friends. If you're looking for a starter home in Calgary, this one should definitely be considered. Because I tell you, on a hot day like today, I can't wait to get in there.